Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. Odisha sees 673 new COVID cases today. With over 40,000 new COVID cases, India has recorded 11,19,412 COVID cases. The global tally reached up to 14.6 million plus. A rare yellow turtle was found in Balasore district of Odisha on Sunday. The locals rescued the reptile from a farmland at Sajanpur village under Soro police limits and handed over to forest department. Katak Puja Committee and the local administration have decided not to observe Ganesh Puja this year in the view of coronavirus pandemic. The decision was taken in a meeting of Commissionerate Police and Puja Committee members held on Sunday. The newly appointed DCPs of Bhubaneswar and Cuttack assumed charge at the Police Seva Bhavan here today in the presence of Twin City Commissioner of Police Dr. Sudhanshu Sarangi. Police officials also bid farewell to former Bhubaneswar DCP Anup Kumar Sahu and ex-Cuttack DCP Akhileshwar Singh at the Police Seva Bhavan. 5 more people died in the last 24 hours as flood continued in Assam on Sunday. Even as 24 districts continue to remain affected by the disaster, the number of affected people on Sunday came down from 27.63 lakh to 25.2 lakh from a day earlier. A silver slab weighing about 40 kg will be placed in the Grand Ram Temple in Ayodhya during the Bhumi Pujan ceremony, scheduled to be held in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on August 5. The 3-day rituals will begin from August 3 and will end on August 5. Prashant Kumar Pradhan is a 32-year-old plumber from Odisha. He was one of the 168 who was airlifted from Kerala during the nationwide lockdown with the help of Sonu Sood. Now the plumber has expressed his gratitude towards the actor with a hearty gesture. He decided to name his new welding shop after the actor. It's called Sonu Sood Welding Shop. The Indian Railways freight data shows the quantity of goods carried is at nearly normal levels compared to the same week in 2019. It was down 2.9% over last year. The figure was 8.8% in the previous week. Earnings from goods are also recovering. They are down 7.7% compared to 15.6% last week. India's retail sector has racked up a whopping rupees 15.5 lakh crore in losses ever since the lockdown was imposed on March 24th. According to the CAIT, which represents around 7 crore traders and about 40,000 trade associations, at least 20% or 1.4 crore more retailers are likely to wind up their businesses in the next few months in the absence of any support from the government. There was a buzz in the medical fraternity after the editor of medical journal The Lancet announced on Twitter that he is going to announce the results of the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine study. Tomorrow vaccines, just saying, Richard Horton tweeted on Sunday. After months of negotiations with the UK's Department for International Trade and Number 10 officials, ByteDance has halted the talks due to the wider geopolitical context, according to a report in the Sunday Times citing a source. The news comes barely a week after the UK government announced a ban on the purchase of new Huawei kits for 5G from next year and said that the Chinese telecom giant's equipment will be completely removed from 5G networks by the end of 2027. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karwakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.